Ngiyaniva nikhomenta nge-hairstyle yami. Nithi indzaba ngashintsha i-hairstyle. Vele ngithi imali yekuthi yekushintsha i-hairstyle. Nginemali ekuthenga ipholo. Asifani vele sibantu yabo. Kunalaba khona kuthenga lokunye nalokunye mine self. Naye kuthenga ipholo. So nje ngicela ningiphume le hairstyle yami. Nangabe uva buhlungu yabo ngale hairstyle. Ungangishanga mani in. Ngihambe ngiyothe cause kuyakhombisa ukuthi angi-afford ukushintsha i-hairstyle. Ngi-afford ukuyothenga ipholo. I hope never.
Bayangifuna labantu ngoba nginepholo. Bayangifuna labantu ngoba nginepholo. Bayangifuna labantu ngoba nginepholo.
Yathi kude into lebhlungu njengokuthi umntwana wakho angafuni ukudla ngala umunye alibele. Amunye libele mntwana, amunye libele nawe make ude kudla kwekudla. Umunye salibele nje ude kudla kwekudla. Ya, kunzima kuba ngimake. Kunzima kuba ngimake. That's why thina ema-women sihlala si-hide and pain. We are going through a lot. We are going through a lot. We are suffering as women. Sometimes ufune ukuthi ungacela someone akuside. But naye loye someone loye ude la ngakusita ngako. We end up se uyahlala ufisana leli pain. Uyahlala as a mother. Yathi kubhlungu ukuthi ungimake uvuke ekseni. Ungadi ukuthi bantu abakhuda abanikani. You fail them as a mother. You fail them as a mother. So lamhlabeni la kumele ukuthi ma-women ahlonishwe. We are going through a lot as a woman. We are suffering as a woman. Kunzima kakhulu. Lapho uthi uyambuka umntwana wakho akakhoni kudla. Ngala awukhoni wena kumprovider ngelibele lelinekudla. Ngenxa yokuthi you fail them as a mother. So ma-women la ngaphandle kumele ukuthi ahlonishwe kakhulu. We are going through a lot. Everything kufeswa ngithi thina bantu besifazane. Cause ngithi lesitala abantwana. We are facing pain as women. Kubede naloto mcela. Kubede naloto khala kuye. Siya hide ipain is hide. Si hide ukuthi abantu abethu bangasiboni ukuthi siyalimala. We fail them as a woman. We fail them. We fail them as a woman. Ene ngalesikhathi kumnyama kakhulu. Uba yi-one. Kulobu difficulties as a woman uba yi-one. Kuvaleka konke. Ube yi-one. So yeah. Baqinisile nabathi bafati timbokodo. Sitimbokodo thine bafati. Sitimbokodo. Sitimbokodo thine bafati. Kubhlungu na umake umntwana avuke athi mama ngilambile. Nawe ngala ulambile. Kude lotomnika kona. Kude lotomnika kona but nje ube ungeke umside. So ngiyacela uthi nibohlonipha abantu besifazane. Nibo bahlonipha kakhulu bayazama bazamela abantu ababo. Bayazama bazamela abantu ababo. Bayavuka bazame although sometimes uyazama uceda lapho ungasakhoni ukuzama. But nje asegeli ukuzama. Sibantu besifazane siyachubeka sizame. uNkulunkulu lesinye isikhathi isituation uyifaka ngereason uyifaka nge-reason uNkulunkulu because abona ukuthi thina abantu besifazane sidawukhona kuphuma kuleso simo leso noma sinzima kangakanani usuke adi uNkulunkulu ubakhipha bonke abantu labangakusida empilweni cause yena usuke adi ukuthi udophuma kanjani although kunzima but yonke into uNkulunkulu uyenda nge-reason. So yeah, as a woman we are going through difficult time. As a woman we are going through a lot.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Kuna sesilobe kathanda kakhulu lapha enkundleni tokuxhumana. I think bambita ngakhodi lapha ku TikTok. Bekathanda kakhulu ngecontent yakho le bekayenda lapha ku TikTok. Akhuluma ukuthi uthenga ipolo, yena vele sohamba ngepolo. Khombisa imoto yakhe oyebantwini vele ahleza akhuluma ngayo ipolo yakhe baze bambita ngamema wepolo lapha enkundleni tokuxhumana. Abantu abaningi beba amlanzelela kakhulu ngoba bekahlezi eyakhuluma ngepolo yakhe. So abantu abaningi bebathola icontent yakhe very funny. So khona nglamalanga wenda ama video lapha enkundleni tokuxhumana khombisa ukuthi she is now down and out. Uyasho nje ukuthi impilo seyimatima kana kungisho nekudla abantwana kade nokuthi bama noma bakhala utobanika ini. Bantu ba commenta lapha ku TikTok ke ukuthi hayibo wena meme wepolo kana unayo yini medical aid. Uyabatshela abantu ukuthi into setiyabhetha. Yebo bekangimem but she was not permanent. Nangalipola kasanayo. Uthi nje owakasana lutho, she is now down and out. She doesn't even know ukuthi uyodlani bantwana yobanika ini. She was even crying lapha enkundleni tokuxhumana. Lokushe abantu abaningi bathi hayibo wena bosichomela ngepolo zulu loku uthi wena uhamba ngepolo thina sihamba ngetinyawo kanjani. Hey guys, ngoba umuntu nasekabukane nalesimo lesabukane naso akusekho mnanzi. I am sending her love and light. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.